Okay, in part 2 of example 1, we are now going to diagram the two subarguments that we identified in part 1. So I've copied them down here for convenience. So we'll start with subargument 1. The first thing we need to do is we need to label our circles, because they're not pre-labeled for us because we didn't know what they would be. Just make this a little pretty here. Get rid of these stupid little boxes. Okay, now we're ready to diagram the premises. So we have two universal premises here. So it doesn't really matter which one I do first, so I'll just do P1 first. So I want to diagram all B are D. We'll fill in this whole part of the B circle that is not part of the D circle. All right, good enough. All right, then we want to do all D are M. So we want to fill in the whole D circle that is not also part of M. Okay, then we ask ourselves, what conclusion is diagrammed by this? What conclusion is shown by this diagram? So we know it's going to have a B and an M in it. So what can we say about B and M based on this diagram? Well, we could say that all B's are M's, because this part of the circle that is B but is not M is all filled in. And we don't have to worry about this part that is, there's a bit of the B circle, the overlap between B and M that is covered up, but since it's not all covered up, we're fine. That makes the statement all B are M true for that diagram. Okay, so that becomes the other premise for our other argument. Okay, so now we need to label these circles. So we'll do F and M and B. Okay, and so again we have two universal premises, so it doesn't matter which one we do first. So I'll do no F or M first. Maybe it's being annoying. Okay, and I'm going to have to stop the video here and pick it up in a part 3 because this is taking a while.